Maybe so, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention here in item number 12. My lord, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship. Item number 12.
You're for?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
W. Mahfuz, Lordship.
Non-counsel for the petitioner. Praise for adjournment of the matter. After
3 weeks, Lordship.
for 3 weeks, the prayer not objected. List this matter after 3 weeks accordingly.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 19, Lordship. Here I'm for the respondent number 5. Kindly list this matter after 3 weeks.
Who is for the petitioner here?
I'm for the petitioner.
You have no objection. Okay. On the prayer of both the land council for the parties on a joint prayer, list this matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Worship is an interim here.
Okay, stop. Para. the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Much for much.
Lord, if I may be allowed to make a mention of item number 7, 8, and 9, my lord. Lordship, I have taken the consent of the petitioners, your lordship. If these matters can be listed after the vacation, my lord.
What is this matter? Okay, revision.
Yes, my lord. Civil revision.
Miss Lozino. Oh, you are for the petitioner. You are for respondent.
I'm for the respondent, my lord.
You are for the petitioner. Okay. Land Council for the respondent.
Yes, ma'am, for all the respondents.
For all the respondents with the consent of the Land Council for the petitioner. Miss, praise for adjournment of the matter and to be listed it after
After the vacation, my lord.
after the ensuing puja vacation stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after the ensuing puja vacation stop. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Should I also beg to mention hearing item number 16, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I am for the petitioners, your lordship. Today I have some difficulties, so if this can come up after 3 weeks, my lord.
Ms. Lozina, Land Council, you have no objection.
No objection.
Land Council for the petitioner submits that she has some personal difficulties today and prays for adjournment of the matter, to which Mr. Zimomi, Land Government Advocate, has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship.
May it please your lordship.
Yeah,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, your lordship.
item 4.
Yes, your lordship. Okay, I'm appealing for response number 4, your lordship. Lordship, if the matter can be posted after puja break, your lordship. I think so.
Okay. What is this matter? Come here. This is? What is this matter about? Hmm? What is this matter about? What is this matter about?
Lordship is for squashing the complaints filed against the filed by me, your lordship.
You are for the
Responding for responding. your lordship.
respondent.
Number 3, your lordship.
Why adjournment this? Or adjournment?
Lordship, here the leading counsel, your lordship, Manish Kumar, he's in this post of your lordship. He's from Gauhati, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Madam Verona, counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr.
And Solo, your lordship.
M.
M. Solo.
M. Solo. Submits that the leading counsel for the respondent, Mr. Manish Kumar Das, could not appear today. Hence pray for adjournment of the matter, to which the Lana Council for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after
After puja break, your lordship.
puja vacation.
Lordship, there's an interim order.
Stop. Huh? Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next stage. Okay.
Lordship, much more.
Yes.
To mention item number 5, lordship. On behalf of the council for the appellate, time to buy, lordship. Lordship.
You are for the
Appellant, lordship.
appellant.
Lordship.
Why you
Lordship,
want
for-
adjournment?
Lordship. I'm told that his wife is not keeping well, lordship.
Hmm?
His wife is not keeping well.
Who?
The council for the appellant, lordship. Time to buy. Lordship, he has given his letter of absence, lordship. It has been reflected in the cost list,
Have you informed the?
lordship.
Lordship, I'm for the respondent.
Okay. Mr. Medoviro. Lana submits that the Lana Council for appellant is not well, hence pray for adjournment, to which Mr.
No, also on behalf of B. N. Sharma, the respondent.
Okay, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. N. Sharma. There's no objection. B. N. Sharma, Lana Council for the
Respondent.
respondent has no objection. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after
Puja break, lordship.
puja break. Okay.
Apply to.
Entering puja.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 18. Lordship, with the prior consent from the other side, your lordship may kindly be pleased to list this matter after 2 weeks.
You are for
Petitioner.
petitioner.
Yes,
You are for the respondent.
I'm for the private respondent.
What is this matter about?
It's regarding the selection and elections of VDP members.
Selection of,
Selection and election of VDP members.
okay, 180. Okay, Mr.
J. Newman.
J,
Newman.
Learned counsel for the petitioner with the consent of Mr.
Otan Jinjami.
Okay, Learned counsel for the appearing on behalf of the respondent. Praise for adjournment of the
2 weeks.
matter for 2 weeks. Stop. The prayer is allowed. The prayer having not objected is allowed. Objected by the learned counsel for the respondent is allowed. This matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
Lordship, I would like to adopt a similar prayer for item number 22. I'm for private respondent.
okay.
I have consent from the other side.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
May it be listed after 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay, on the joint prayer made by both the learned counsel for the parties. List this matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 15.
15.
Yes, madam. My lord, here the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Aili Matushin, is indisposed. So I humbly pray that may be listed after 2 weeks.
Miss
Ms. Gekrising,
Summons that the counsel for the leading counsel for the petitioner, Miss. Sorry, I Limatosi is indisposed and pray for adjournment of the matter for
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks, to which Mr. Zumomi, non-government advocate, has no objection. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, madam.
Please, Your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 on behalf of my seniors and younger. Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulties today. So I have been instruction to pray to list this matter on Thursday, 19th of September.
Thursday, 19.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why Thursday? Okay, 19. What is this matter about? Mister, you are Mr.
No claim.
Some is said, you senior, Mr. Santianger. Learned counsel for the applicant is in, has some personal difficulties today. And pray for listing this matter on 19th. 9/2024. The prayer not objected. And the prayer is allowed. List this matter on Thursday. Okay, list this matter again on Thursday. 19. Okay,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
Item number 15, there's an interior.
Item 15.
Yes, my lord.
In the 15, come back. In 15, the interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next stage.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item 23. May this matter be listed after 1 week since my senior is indisposed.
You are for
Respondent number 1.
respondent 1.
Yes, sir.
Have you informed the petitioner? Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioner.
Hmm?
Petitioner.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes.
Okay. Miss,
Wait. Wait.
submits that his senior, Mr. V. Devnath, is indisposed and pray for adjournment. The adjournment not objected, the prayer not objected, so accordingly the prayer is allowed. List this matter after
1 week.
1 week, okay. After a week. Okay,
Bless your lordship.
yes,
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 on behalf of PB Board, lordship. If this matter can come up after 2 weeks, lordship.
what is this matter about?
Lordship, I'm not the leading counsel guy.
Who is the leading counsel?
PB Paul, Lordship.
Why you want adjournment?
Because of some personal difficulties.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, I've taken the counsel of the parties.
Okay. Mr.
Mr. Chuba.
Hmm?
Chuba.
Sorry, submits that his senior, the leading counsel, Mr. P.V. Paul, is in this personal, has some personal difficulties today and pray for adjournment of the matter for
2 weeks off.
2 weeks. The prayer not objected. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Applies,
Okay.
Lordship.
Yes.
Maybe, Sir Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 13, Lordship. On behalf of IAB, Lordship, if this matter can come after Puja break, Lordship. Please in disposed, Lordship.
You are for the state respondent
For the
and
status.
you are for the petitioner. No objection. Ms. Chang. Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Miss IAB,
Miss I.
IAB.
Okay, and me. Then counsel for the state respondent prays for adjournment of the matter to which the Lana counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after.
Puja break, Lordship.
Okay. Okay, is prayed for by both the Lana counsel for the parties. List this matter after the ensuing puja break. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For motion, item number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Lordship, I filed one idea, number 24, the connected petition. During the pendency of the criminal petition, I've been informed that the respondent number 3, who is the chairman represents the Resource Village Council. Now I've been informed that there's a new incumbent chairman. So I filed this IA to strike off
The chairman changed.
yes, the chairman has changed, so I want to include the
But this is a criminal case, it appears.
yes, but the complaint, if your lordship would see. the
How
complaint-
in the criminal case, the witness can be changed?
Yes, I'm submitting that the complaint was filed by that person in his capacity as chairman of the village council. Now, we have the Village Councils Act, under the Village Councils Act, the village council is.
Okay, the village, he filed FIR on,
On behalf of the council.
in the
Yes,
capacity
not in
of,
his individual capacity.
Hmm?
Not in his individual capacity, but in the capacity of chairman.
okay,
of
he
the
filed
village.
FIR.
Yes.
He is the informant, one of the informant.
informants, yes. One of the.
Okay. Then he is the witness in the criminal case.
He may be.
Then how the witness can be changed in the criminal case? Because he knows about the fact and circumstances of the case. How he can be replaced?
Well, that may be.
New witness also you can't bring in the criminal case. Had it been the civil or contempt, it can be. But in the criminal case, he has lost FIR along with others, and he has become a witness to
Then in
the
that case, may I pray that the new chairman may also be included. And if
No,
the
no,
lordship
no.
is-
How do we, because it's a criminal case, the offense took place at that point
Understood,
of
yeah.
time. And see, he is not connected with the criminal case. Where should we implicate?
Now, in the compromise deed, the new chairman
No, no, no.
signed.
How the new chairman can be? He's innocent person. He don't know anything about the case. How do we
Yes,
bring him in the
knowledge-wise
case?
it may be,
Because this is a
but
criminal
since
case.
It's a criminal petition to quash based on a compromise.
Maybe,
That
maybe.
stage may not arrive if the lordship goes to the merits of the petition. So
Hmm?
since the complaint was filed by the chairman in his capacity, not in his individual capacity.
Maybe. But then at that time, at the time of occurrence, he was the person who was a chairman and who knew something about the case.
Yes, on behalf of
Maybe
the
not,
council, on-
maybe in the official capacity, but then he knew, hey, he can identify his signature in the trial court. No any other person can
Yes,
identify.
yes.
Hmm.
He
Unless-
can be adduced as a witness, no doubt.
Yes,
But since here in a criminal petition and the compromise deed has been signed by the new chairman.
okay,
I believe-
compromise
yes.
deed was signed presence
the
of
new
the
chairman.
new chairman. You
Yes.
want this new chairman
Yes,
also?
I'm praying that. the new
Why?
chairman may-
Is it necessary?
Yes,
Why you want to drag him?
I've also been informed that he has
The
no objection and-
in the compromise deed, anyone can be, any elderly person can be you see, the witness.
No,
That in our presence, they have signed this compromise deed and and anyone XYZ in the elderly person, so how will you implead all of them?
Okay, what is
Not necessary, not required.
Yes, I understand that, but the complaint was filed only by the council on behalf by the council. And of course, the individual has to represent the council, but the council is a body corporate. It's a body corporate. So the person who is manning the council is not.
That is why
getting
I'm
the-
saying this is criminal case. Had it been the criminal civil, then he would replace. But then it's the criminal case. The present council doesn't know anything about it,
Then
about
I
the
pray
case.
that your lordship may be pleased to implead the new person also in his individual capacity. The old person may be retained because he has signed only compromise deed.
Now, is it allowed in a criminal case?
Uh,
No, it's not required. In the compromise deed, so many people can sign. Supposing 50%, including old head of the
yes.
family,
I
head of
understand
the
point, yes.
community, head of the local bodies. Will you implead all of them to cause trouble? No,
No,
no, because this is only compromise deed. No need to implead. And if you want, not a necessary party to the earlier who signed as a, not as an individual capacity, that prayer can be made. But then he cannot be dispensed from appearance before the court because he is a
that may be a different
witness
aspect
to the
of
criminal
matter
case.
because we are not before the trial court.
Hmm.
And of course, he can be called as a witness if need be by the prosecution. As for now, as far as this person is concerned, I'm only praying that only the person's name, because the council will be there, chairman will be there. This is a new.
No, the
incumbent.
present chairman, whether Miss Merrick, who is appearing? Present chairman required to be impleaded here.
Your
Present
Lordship,
chairman who is not connected with.
It cannot be, as your lordship has rightly pointed
Hmm.
out, he cannot replace the old chairman. Your
He
Lord.
cannot replace, that is
Yes.
true, but then can he be impleaded?
It's-
Because he also has put a signature in the compromise deed.
My lord, I have instructions to appear for the respondent number 2 to 6.
2 to 6.
Yes, my lord.
So
This present case.
they all are the local bodies.
Yes, the new chairman is one of the signatories to the compromise
But-
deed.
but-
So
Hmm.
I don't have any objection if I'm impeded. Yes,
No
the
objection.
Party, yes, my lord.
But then, okay,
No,
but the other one
the-
cannot,
earlier
Yes, the
he was
complainant
not-
has to
that
be
also will
retained. The
remain.
old
That
ones,
also,
Yes.
that will remain.
Yes, he
Yes,
will not
yes.
include he
The
has
present
to-
one you want
he can-
him also, and you have no objection.
Yes.
Okay. So then,
At page 5, the details.
okay, Mr. Ali Ralu, Lana counsel for the applicant. Staff. By this application, the applicant seek implement of the chairman,
Chairman, yes.
implement of Sri Soipra Sapu,
Yes, present chairman.
who is the present chairman, Rosazo Village Council. Staff, it is submitted that the present chairman, Rosazo Village Council, so the present Sri Soipur Sapru is a necessary party to the criminal petition
Yes.
number 29, 2024, as he has also signed, he has also signed in the compromise. So what is this deed? Where it
Yes,
is?
compromise deed. At page
Compromise deed or,
Compromise deed.
okay, compromise deed. Staff, Mr.
Yes, of you, my lord.
appearing on behalf of the respondent number 226 has no objection. Sri Soipra Sapu, the present chairman, Rosaho Village Council, is impleaded he will be implemented as respondent number 7. Okay.
Yes, in the
7,
case.
stop. In view of the above, the prayer for implement is allowed. Stop. Para, let 3 Soipra Sapu, comma, chairman, comma, Rosazo Village Council. What is the name which you want to delete? Suseto Suro.
That was the previous one.
Hmm?
Now, my prayer is to strike off the name of Sisato and to delete.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, that cannot be, huh?
Yes.
Okay, implemented as respondent number 7. Okay, with above this, I stands disposed. Okay, present also maybe, huh? Recorded in the last. Our presence also, Miss Mary's present also be recorded, huh? In the hard, huh? Okay. Then comes the main, in the main. Para, in view of. You are appearing for the first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier also.
I'm yet to file my Vaklatnama.
Okay.
I have instructions, but
Okay,
I'm yet
heard
to file.
Mr. L. Irabu, Learning Counsel for the petitioner. I've also heard Ms. Mary, Learning Counsel for the respondent, state respondent. Ms. Learned Senior Government Advocate for the state respondent, and Mr.
Yes, Sophie.
Sophie, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 228, huh?
227.
227, stop. Huh? Para, in view of the order passing the IA number 24. Today, huh? Mr. His name, huh? So and so, chairman, you have written that one. Huh? Is implemented as respondent number 7. Stop. Para, the petitioner shall file amended course title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondent number 7. Stop. The registry shall do the needful. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps upon. You have taken steps upon the other respondent.
Yes,
Okay, upon the newly respondent number 7. Stop. Since Mr. You serve copy.
Yes, sir.
Mr. His name, huh? As a would appears an accepted notice on behalf of the respondent, a newly implemented respondent number 7. No formal notice need be issued to the said respondent. Stop. Huh? Is prayed for para. Is prayed for by the Learning Counsel for the party. But okay, no. So lease this matter after
Vacation.
after vacation.
There's
After
also an interim.
ensuing vacation. Okay.
There's an interim that may be continued.
Interim is there. What is the interim?
Suspending the trial.
Okay, stop. Para. The interim order pass RDS shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Bless, ma'am.
On the list.
Item number 3.
Here in the contempt petition, there's a change of guards.
Change your.
Yeah, change of guards. So I'm seeking to include the new incumbents
Okay.
at page 33. And I want to retain the other 2 all alleged contempt as well.
Okay. So
We include the 2 new incumbents as well.
what is the name of the new incumbent?
Sri Vyasam R,
Oh, yes.
who is the home
So
commissioner.
there will be, rather than 1 and 2, there will be 3 and 4 only.
That is the court.
Okay, hard Mr. Eli Rado, Learning Counsel for the applicant. Stop. Huh? This is an application seeking implement of the new incumbent in the civil original petition contempt 12/2023. Start. Para. Mr. Ali Ravi submits that the respondent number 1 and 2, that is the Home Commissioner, Government of, sorry, on and 1, Sri Abhijit Sinha, IS, Home Commissioner, Government of Nagaland, Kohima, Nagaland, and respondent and Sri T. Mavemo Yantham, IS, within bracket, respondent number 2, Commissioner, Government of Nagaland. Sorry, just during the pendency of this, it is submitted that during the pendency of this contempt petition, the respondent number 1, Sri Abhijit Sinha, respondent number 1, and Mr. T. Maveno Yantham, respondent number 2, has been transferred. And in their place, a new incumbent has been posted. Stop. Sri Vyasan R. IS has been posted as Home Commissioner, Government of Nagaland, Kohima. And Sri K.S. Anden Konyak, IS, has been posted as Commissioner, Government of Nagaland. And they are necessary parties to this, the contempt petition. Accordingly, praise for their implement as respondent number 3 and 4 respectively. Stop. The prayer is considered and allowed. Para. Let Sri Vyasan R. IS, Home Commissioner, Government of Nagaland, Kohima, and Sri K.S. Anden Konyak, IS, Commissioner, Government of Nagaland, be implemented as respondent number 3 and 4 to the above contempt petition number 12, 2023. Starts with the above this, IS stands disposal. Okay. Then in the main, Mr. Elirano, Line Council for the petition staff. Para, in view of the order pass in IA number 136 today, Thomas, these two names. Okay, Mr. Swenson, Sri Vyasan, I full, and Sri K.S. Anden Konya is full. Okay, are implemented as respondent number 3 and 4 respectively. Start. The petitioner shall file amended post title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondents number 3 and 4. Start within a week from today. 3 days within a week from today. Start. The registry shall do the needful. Start. Para, the petitioner shall also take steps upon the newly implemented respondent number 3 and 4 by a registered post with AD within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Okay.
From supply post list, for motion item number 24.
Lordship, I'm filing this petition to quash the FIR in view of the compromise that has been erected between the accused as well as the complainants and the parties. And the FIR is at page 16. Also, I made a typed copy at page 17.
Okay.
It has been registered under section 323 to follow
Okay.
the IPC and section 75 of the juvenile.
Which one? Which one is Which offense is non-bailable, non-compoundable?
324 and 75
Where is that? Okay. 3,
in the FIR. Yes, section
2,
324.
4, and 75. Both are non-compoundable.
What are non-compoundable?
So what happened after this closing FIR? The person was arrested,
Yes, he was arrested, but she was released on bail.
released.
Yes, and thereafter the complainants, that is the Puchuri Hoho Kohima, they
Now, how
filed.
this matter can be compromised? The person was child. How
Yes,
it can be compromised?
yes. The Lordship may have,
It may not be possible.
the Lordship may kindly peruse page 25,
What is that?
page 25 of the petition.
Hmm.
This is the statement made by the complainants.
This was a statement of the
Complainants.
victim.
Yeah, no, statement by the complainants. Now the victim.
Victim is a minor.
Victims, yes, it's a minor.
Okay.
Victim's father authorized the complainants because she is not a.
No, the father cannot be. The victim, if the victim is minor, how it can be compromised? It will be difficult.
Yes, but my contention is that
Who lost FIR? FIR was lost by
by the Puchuri Hoho. Puchuri Hoho.
Hoho.
It's a Hoho.
Whether the
requested by
Hoho has
petitioner
also
that
been-
went on the authorization of the victim's father, as he was not a resident of Kohima at the point of time.
This will be difficult, it appears, for washing.
No, it can be. I have residents also where even this court has watched proceedings under section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act. In view of the fact that the complainants, they have no interest in pursuing the trial, they have no interest in even appearing before the court. And therefore,
No,
the very fact of
no,
the
no,
prosecution establishing a case beyond reasonable doubt is completely non-existent. Now that, your Lordship knows very well that this court can. Now, of course, the effects in some senses
no, the matter is still under investigation only.
still under investigation. But
Charge
I
is not yet
informed that
filed.
Charge sheet is about to be filed. I have been informed.
So let the charge is filed. How do we, how
In that
can we
case,
interfere
that
with
is the
that?
issue. Your Lordship may call for the records also to see.
No, no, at this stage it will be difficult. The child is involved.
Your Lordship may also want to peruse either the complainants as well as the father of the child. So at least notice may be issued to them and then they can file an affidavit.
Yeah, yes,
Dispose
Mr.
of-
Jimome.
My lord, I'll accept on behalf of respondent number 1, my lord.
So you want that notice be issued?
But this
Because
notice may
here
go-
child is involved.
Yes, my lord.
The victim is child.
Yes, my lord.
Even this court. has
There is
watched-
a possibility, every possibility of influence.
Section 324 and section 75 of JJ Act is not compoundable, my lord.
Yes, that is why
Yes.
I'm saying.
So
So the matter is still under investigation.
Yes,
The child is involved.
Yeah.
So whether this petition can be accepted or entertained.
no, section 75, it's described as a petty offense under the Juvenile Justice Act. It's a petty offense up to 3 years. Now, the Juvenile Justice Act also prescribes what offenses are serious, what offenses are heinous. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court in Dhyanchan has clearly held that apart from these offenses which are serious and heinous, or which affects the mental integrity, petty offenses can be quashed. In effect,
Petty
it's
offense.
offenses of course.
Do you have
in
the
effect,
thought?
I have the authority, but my apologies, but I've not been able to point out. I have an authority, president also of this honorable court.
Because the matter is still under investigation.
yes, ma'am.
It's very difficult. Had it been the case that the case has already been charge sheeted around perusal, if we find,
I've
Can
been
be, but
reliably
then-
informed that the charge sheet is prepared. So your lordship may kindly issue notice, call for the records. and
you
look
could
at
have
what-
wait for some time so that the charge is filed. And then
I
they could
cannot
have
make
taken
such
chance,
like-
taken an opportunity before the learned trial court during the
There is-
hearing
there
of the
is-
charge,
there is
framing
a-
of charge.
Yes, there is a possibility that there may be no conviction in view of this.
No, because any order passed here, that you'll take advantage of that High Court has taken and then you should not proceed. The trial court should not proceed. These things are happening, I think. No, it's not happening. like-
No idea, my lord.
Huh?
No
No
idea.
idea.
Yes.
Now you see, if the court start interfering with the investigation of the case, it will be difficult.
Hello, since my apologies, but I have not been able to bring out those precedents which I'm also relying on.
You bring,
Maybe-
you
yes,
bring
I'd like
that.
To bring, place that before you.
the first bring that.
Yes.
satisfy the court, because this is the case where the case is still, number one, case is still under investigation. Number two, the victim is child. No person can, of course, the ho-ho, including
No,
ho-ho,
just
who is
because the
of
victim
that
is a
tribe.
child, it does not mean that it cannot be quashed under compromise.
Hmm?
Just because the victim is a child,
Hmm.
it does not mean that the law does not say that.
That is there, but then
that
you have to
tribe cannot
satisfy.
be quashed.
That is, of course, but you have to satisfy the court for that purpose.
Yes.
And then
Because-
the main thing is that the investigation, we do not know what is the severity of the injury caused to the victim child.
Yes.
And
Well, that's
since
why-
it is
that's why
still
the
under
submission
investigation,
there.
that is
What
why
we
I'm
can
saying.
Issue notice, both for the case diary and also if the charge sheet, if there's a draft.
No,
also-
that is what I don't want to
fine.
disturb the IO of the case. Because during this pendency, during the investigation period, if we call for the records,
No.
it disturbs them.
Photocopies should do it.
Hmm.
Case diaries.
This is unnecessary, actually. Disturbance to the,
But the law is not that just because the victim is a child, it cannot be quashed in a compromise.
that would after hearing, after
Yes.
the
So my
planning council
my
for the
own
petitioner
submission is that
satisfied.
notice may be issued for now.
Hmm.
So that this court can have the benefit of all the records which are already there with the IO. Eventually, it may not be.
No, Mr. Iralu, you have to show the authority.
If the lordship desires, then in that case, your lordship, if it's a matter for some other date, maybe Thursday.
Thursday,
Yes.
okay. We'll do that. I'm not-
Yes.
Because this involves with the child,
Yes.
still under investigation. There is no reason to interfere with the investigation of the case under the circumstances, according to me. Let us see if he can satisfy the court. If there is a Supreme Court ruling interfering with, okay? As prayed for by the Nana Council for the petition, at least this matter again on Thursday.
Yes, your lordship.
Much obliged.
Item number 25.
May I please this, Lordship? Am
Yeah.
I audible, Lordship?
Yes, of course.
So I'm appearing on behalf of the appellant. This is a appeal under section 173 of the MV Act filed by the appellant. In this,
Yes.
the number one has filed a claim petition under section 166 of the MV Act in the tribunal
Okay.
in Painsang in Nagaland, in which the learned tribunal has granted compensation of 22,67,000
Okay.
on account of injuries sustained by the respondent in a RTA, which while she was returning by foot, it so happened that the two-wheeler knocked her from behind. Which sustained injuries to her person. But however, the appellant entered appearance and contested the claim, but unfortunately denied its liability because the learned tribunal overlooked some of the vital aspects of the case because there was no disability certificate, there was no FIR, there was no charge sheet. So, Your Lordship, since this case has been coming up for the first time, I would request this honorable court to
The
kindly-
victim is treated as the victim has been treated as disabled person.
Yes,
There is a
but
disability certificate.
yes, Your Lordship. She's been implemented as disabled, but however, there is no disability certificate been produced.
What is this IFO?
This IA is, sir, it's one is for delay and one is for stay.
Okay, in the delay will, and then who you are appearing for the other one?
For the
Okay.
appellant.
So in the delay will issue notice? In the delay
Yes,
petition?
yes, yes.
Congress
Yes,
petition will issue notice. Okay.
yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Satish Convert Chetri.
Satish
Chetri.
Satish Konwar Chetri, Lana counsel for the applicant. Stop. This is an application under section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of delay of 409 days in filing the connected appeal. Stop. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Returnable by
Yes, sir.
4. Okay, stop. The applicant shall take steps upon the respondent by a registered post with AD within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Yes.
I would also like to mention item number 14. However, Your Lordship, I'm begging my apology because due to some internet connectivity, I was not able to connect earlier.
Okay.
Item number
Okay.
My
Yes.
senior counsel was on his way to Dimapur today, but however, due to the road condition, his car broke down halfway. And I've also informed the opposite party regarding the
Okay.
same. So Your Lordship may be please kind enough to grant at least 2 weeks of time or 1 week, Your Lordship.
Mr.
On
Satish,
behalf of he did not.
Mr.
Lordship,
Satish Kumar
may
Chetri.
I just interrupt, Lordship?
Yes.
I'm for
Okay, you are for?
the claimant respondent, Lordship.
Okay, I thought that he says that he has informed.
No, Lordship,
You are for respondent.
yes, respondent claimant, 1 and
Okay.
2.
Okay, so the person could not reach.
That's what I am informed.
Okay,
Lordship, the matter has been lingering on for quite some time.
okay.
But if the other party, my learned friend from Dimapur, if they can make it on Thursday,
Okay. Mr. Satish Kumar Chetri made a mention on behalf of Mr. B. Devnath for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, if it may be listed on 25th or 26th, that would be also fine, ma'am, Your Lordship. 26th or 27th, Thursday or
Adjournment of-
Friday.
Lordship,
You want?
I have some, if it is within this week, that's okay, but next week and the next,
Within this week.
after that, after 2 weeks, I'm out of station. I have to.
You will out of station?
Yes,
After
Lord.
that.
So if that is the case.
After the puja holiday.
Let it
Okay.
be after the vacation, short vacation.
After vacation, he said after
Yes, Your
vacation.
Lordship. Yes, Your
Okay.
Lordship. Your pleasure, Your Lordship.
For 2 weeks, and okay, 2 weeks.
After the vacation.
Mr. Okay, I found a line counsel for the respondent. Sami said he has been informed that the petitioner could not make to reach the court today, and he has no objection for adjournment. Stuff in view of the above, and is prayed for by both the line counsel for the party. List this matter after the entering puja vacation. Okay. It is 14, huh?
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Okay. Hmm.
For admission, item number 26.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am audible, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, FIR is at page 10.
Yes, just a minute. You have any instruction?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is that?
I've obtained a status report.
Okay.
Your Lordship.
What is it really a criminal case to be
Your
registered?
Lordship, eventually it may be civil, but right now the mens rea, the intention is not good. If Your Lordship will see the report, Your Lordship, all of them are absconding, Your Lordship, as of now. And there's a misleading of facts and favorable order has been obtained. AB has been granted, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship will see the status report, it's clearly shown.
Lordship, it is a purely a money transaction. Money transaction, Lordship. It's a purely a civil nature case, Lordship.
Just a minute, huh? Let us see.
Okay, sorry.
Let's do that. So whatever may be, anywhere, everywhere it is mentioned it is loan amount.
Lordship,
Everywhere it is mentioned it is borrowed.
it's about, your lordship, that is mentioned, your lordship.
So then they can't take the advantage, can't take the help of the states to, because it was on the, you see, the personal belief and on good faith. He has given a loan.
Your lordship,
So
the
he
question
should
of
he should
absconding, your
fight.
lordship. Maybe, your lordship.
Where is the question of absconding when there is no case at all against the person?
You-
For return, he has to approach the civil court.
Your lordship, yes, your lordship is right. This court cannot be used as a proceeding for recovery. Your
Cannot
lordship
use
is
the
right.
police.
Your
And
lord-
why the police has been used?
Your lordship,
See,
Your lordship,
this
recently
is
we
loan case
complete-
only, loan case. They should issue notice on notice, and on failing, they should file civil suit or the money suit, I mean.
your lordship, when the complainant is helpless, your lordship.
No, that is
when-
why I'm saying,
Your lordship,
when they give, this is a civil case. In the civil case, if the person is helpless, can he be, or can she be allowed to take
civil,
advantage?
no, your lordship, that
That
cannot, your
cannot,
lordship.
that cannot.
Only
But
when,
then why you are not respond? Why you are not repaying? You want the police? She's a helpless lady.
Lordship,
Helpless
I
lady.
am trying
Why you
to
are not
trying my
returning
best
money
to
after taking?
no, I am trying my best to return the money, but they are
Why you
asking
are not
much
why you
higher
are
than
not
that.
returning? It's been more than 3 years. After 3 years, the limitation will also cross. Why
Only
you are not
Lordship, on July 31st, July to 2023, I have returned almost 1 lakh. I am trying my best, but my business is
and
so
then you see after
due to the-
promise,
and
verbally or written, after
sir.
making promise, if you don't return, then it will attract criminal case. That is true.
Lordship, I am trying my best, but they are not.
You took the money when you required, and are not refunding, not returning, thereby causing unnecessary harassment to the person who helped you in during your necessity.
Lordship, my humble submission is that no one will be benefited if I am behind the bar. I am trying my best. If they give me some time, another 2-3 months, I'll try to my best to return some amount of money, at least not at all.
When you return?
Lordship, 2-3 months, within 2-3 months, Lordship. I have to take instruction.
You
But
appear and take undertaking that you'll return within 3 months. That will
Lordship.
solve the problem. Simple.
Lordship, because
Simple.
if I am behind the bar, no one will be benefited.
We'll protect you in the meantime.
Lordship.
So otherwise there is no case.
Lordship.
So after that, after obtaining this interim bail, have you appeared before the police?
No.
No, Lordship, I could not come because I am suffering from severe.
No. You are now protected. You are now protected by interim order. You will not be arrested. Even if you are arrested, also you will be immediately released. Now appear before the police. Give your statement.
Okay,
When you will appear before the police? When can you appear?
To the 17th.
We'll give you 15 days.
Lordship.
Are you also appearing in this case? Okay.
He is there to, if internet connection is there.
You are Mayanjit Kumar.
Gunamani Sharma.
Oh, not the one who appeared earlier.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. Gunamani Sharma, land counsel for the petitioner. I have also heard Ms. Mary Lanet, senior government advocate.
Here I'm appearing as PP.
Oh, sorry, Lanet PP. Nagaland, stop, huh? This protection is for indefinite period. Now, okay. The para, huh? Miss Mere Ramadana PP produced a status report of the case. The record reveals that the accused applicant is avoiding police arrest, and even after obtaining interim bail has not appeared before the police for recording his police statement. Start. Then a counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Gunavan Sharma, submits that the accused applicant may be given 15 days time to appear to report before the police for giving us a statement, police statement. Start. The prayer is allowed. Start. No point keeping pending this matter also, actually.
That's true, Your Lordship. But without, since police has already acted on the FIR, Your Lordship, at least the accused should cooperate. And then for that, Your Lordship, the matter has been fixed today.
I'll go for it, definitely.
Okay, Mr. Konar submits that the accused applicant is ready to cooperate and to appear before the eye of the case. However, he prays for 15 days time. Where he stays?
He is in normally in Gauhati, Lordship.
Okay, 15 days time to appear before the police. Start. The prayer is allowed. Start. The accused is, in view of the above, the accused is directed to appear before the eye of the case within 15 days from today. Start. And on such appearance, of the accused before the eye of the case, comma. No, just a minute. 15 days now from today. The 15 days, the interim, okay. And in the meantime, the interim order passed on 12/2024 shall continue till the next date. Okay. List this matter after.
Your Lordship, if the accused did not appear before the IO on the stipulated time, then Your Lordship, the interim
No,
should.
definitely. No,
Yes.
no,
Because that
I will definitely appear before this.
Extended till the
that 15 day.
Till
the next day, Lordship.
till the next date. So next date is fixed. Next date, list this matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks, we say.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks will be 14 days from today.
So that is why 3 weeks, it will be 3 weeks.
It will
The
be a
next
little
day,
more than 15 days.
no, so that I think thereafter,
17 to 18.
it will be after vacation only, I think. It will come
Yes,
after.
Lordship. That will be.
We'll fix it on 14, Monday, 14th, 14 October.
14th
Okay.
October, Lordship. I think Puja vacation. Puja
No.
vacation will be open on 21st.
Puja vacation in Gauhati, not in Kohima.
Okay, yes. 14th.
14.
14th, Monday.
14. Okay. Yes.
For orders, item 10.
Yes, parking the chapter.
Yes, Mr. Lordship. In compliance with this honorable court order, I have taken first steps upon the respondent on 13/8/2024.
Okay, Mr. Parking Reachable and counsel for the petitioner is present, staff. The office note dated 12/9/2024 reflects that the service report is still awaited. Staff, in view of the above, this matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, we'll be.
Item number 11.
May I have his lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I have instruction for to appear for respondent number 2, lordship. Lordship, here the petitioners are challenging the proceeding. Now, the respondent number 2, lordship, if lordship is, may I kindly see respondent number 2, Sri Kaminthal.
Okay, just a minute, huh? Let us ensure who is for respondent number 2.
I'm for respondent number 2.
Okay.
Now,
Respondent number two is-
2, they have been implemented by name, lordship.
Just a minute. Huh? What is this petition?
Lordship, the fact of the case is, lordship, there was a detection of multiple fraudulent withdrawal of pension,
Detection of?
fraudulent pension by the Office of the Accountant General. Fraudulent pensions.
Okay.
Now, lordship, the Office of the Accountant General has detected massive, lordship, amounting to more than 200 plus crore fraudulent withdrawal. Now, we have intimated to the government with regard to this fraudulent withdrawal that is going on in the state. Now, the matter was brought to the office of the DGP, the police. Now, since a formal complaint has to be lodged, we are the one who has detected the fraudulent withdrawals, lordship. So we were directed to file a complaint and to register an FIR. Now, lordship, as an office, a certain officer has to be entrusted for lodging the FIR, lordship.
Yes.
Now, the present respondent number 2, he was in charge of the account section, pension section, lordship, at that point of time. He has lodged a complaint to the police. Now, by filing this instant revision petition, lordship, criminal revision, he has been implemented as a party respondent, lordship. But he has acted on his official capacity.
Right.
So, lordship, his name should not have been here, lordship, in the first place. It should be the Office of the Accountant General, Principal Accountant General, as respondent number 2. So, lordship, since I'm appearing for the first time, lordship, I may be given some time to file my objection to this, lordship. Because I have no objection if the Accountant General is a party in the case.
Okay.
But here, the officer has been made a name by name.
But since he has lodged a FIR in his name,
Yes.
not on behalf of or in the official capacity as a accountant general.
On instruction.
On instruction.
Yes.
So, but then probably they have implemented.
Yes,
because of that.
my name, lordship.
Because
in the complaint, my name has appeared.
Okay.
So that's how they have implemented me. But I have lodged a complaint basing on the direction given by the
that is
Principal Accountant General, lordship.
Okay.
So
Ah,
3
Mr.
weeks
M.T.
may be granted,
Longchair.
lordship.
I am T. Longchair, Dana Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr.
And Mosoi.
N.
And Mosoi.
Mojala.
Standing counsel.
Standing counsel for
Accountant General Office.
Accountant General. would appears on behalf of the respondent number 2.
Lordship.
And Mojo would appears on behalf of the respondent number 2, accountant,
Office of the Accountant General.
Accountant General, standing counsel, and prays for some time to file objection. Staff, Miss Mary, Lansing Government Advocate is also present.
Respondent number 1.
Respondent number?
1.
Okay, 1 is also present, staff. Is prayed for, list is made after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Malaka, I have a job prayer. That is, the trial court proceeding is going on, and I'm stuck here. So because I may be protected for the time being. If I fail, I have to go back and recall the witnesses who are being produced, because she is one of the accused.
No, this petition is for what is the prayer here?
Para 14. Para 14, I am praying for the proceeding to be stayed against the present applicant. Not the whole lot. The whole question is this, my lord. Whatever be the charge is the revisionist. We should to have committed whatever be the offense.
Just a minute.
So the allegation in the charge sheet is that when she was functioning as sub-treasury officer Akulu, where she was never posted at any point of time, it Akulu to sub-treasury. So tomorrow somebody may be found to be guilty of any offense, but where she was posted, because she was posted as sub-treasury officer, Zinputu, never in the Apollo.
Oh, sorry, criminal revision. This may also appear as PP, huh? This may also appear as a PP.
Lordship,
In criminal revision, your lordship.
Hmm?
Not in the lower court proceeding, only here in the criminal revision, yes.
Yes.
Lordship, in the meantime, my name may be reflected as counsel for respondent number 2, Lordship. in the
Okay,
office.
okay, counsel for respondent number 2. Huh?
Name of animals is respondent number 2.
No, let the record come.
My lord,
Let the record come.
record as far as the present applicant is
Record is there.
concerned, it is.
Let them file objection also. Let them file. You are also filing objection. Miss
No, no,
Mary.
your lordship, I'll be relying on the records.
Okay,
Yes.
so
I'll be filing with regard to naming
yes, yes,
the person as a respondent, Lordship.
yes.
I'll be filing on that.
There also, and the record, we have received the record.
My lord,
There-
already.
So just see, go through. So next day, we'll on perusal of the records only, we'll try to pass an order.
The court will necessarily go through the document.
Mm. So then this is listed.
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
Just a minute, huh? This is admission only.
It's for orders, Lordship.
So we'll list it then in admission.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes, you can.
It may be
Okay,
listed an addition and endeavor may be made to dispose of
Yes.
that also.
So that then in the last, the trial court record has been received. So list is matter for admission hearing after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
In the meantime, my name will be reflected, Lordship.
Okay. His
Regarding
name
the
is here
perus-
already.
perusal of the record, your lordship may kindly pass a matter today.
My lord, all of us. For perusal of the record.
To pass order after perusal of the record.
Yes.
In the interim.
What
No,
we
no,
are
your
saying
lordship,
is that
to go through
it
the
is-
records in
yeah,
order maybe.
registry.
Registry may restrict us to,
Yes.
Access,
yes, to make an access
We
to
may
the
be allowed
report.
to have the access to the record.
In the
for
trial court, you
perusal.
have access, you can access record in the trial court. You must have, this is the original record.
For
This must be a
the
scale.
Trial court, we were not given.
Original or the is a scan copy?
Scan.
Scan copy only.
Yes.
So it is accessible in the trial court. You are in the,
We were not allowed
why?
because the order is very clear that the documents being bulky. We were not allowed. Even after application, we were not furnished with the documents. Record.
It's bulky because Lordship,
Yes,
it's a huge amount of money.
Yes,
yes.
200 plus.
But then the government can of course access to the record.
Yes, it's their document on the.
Yes, that is why. So to the government advocate also they used to restrict.
It's just the apprehension, Lordship.
Apprehension, no, nothing. Will not pass order
No,
such
since
order.
the order is already, I mean, the record is already here. I'm just praying before this court.
So
Furnish me a copy. That's it.
no, you
The
already the
request.
government
The
can always
council,
access the
my
record.
lord, the council, because I'm not furnished with all these documents.
So at this moment, it will not pass order. That order. Okay.
God bless you.
For hearing item number 20.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship here, the petition is praying for minimum scale of pay.
Minimum scale of pay.
Yes, my lord. My lord, earlier on to 6th June 2022, the petitioner filed WPC number 99 of 2022, praying for granting minimum scale of pay, your lordship, and accordingly it was disposed of. Disposed of on 9/6/2022, your lordship, which is in annexure 5, page
You have
number.
annexed?
Yes, my lord. Annexure 5 of page number 22.
You are working as?
Your lordship, as driver,
As
as driver.
driver.
Yes, my lord.
You were appointed on
Contingency basis under the District Youth Resources Office.
when?
Parent, my lord.
Let us see the order you were basing on.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the order?
Annexure 1, page number 18.
Page 18.
Yes, my lord.
No, the similar order you said, similar order passed.
Oh, yes, my lord. Page number 22, annexure 5. Your lordship, in WPC number 99 of 2022.
The petition number 99.
Yes, my lord. Yes, yes.
This is direction only. Only a direction to dispose of your representation, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Direction that the respondent should consider and dispose of the same within a period of so and so.
Yes, my lord.
In case
Your
the
lordship,
petitioner is not satisfied with the result, you can always approach. So what happened? What is the result?
your lordship, however,
What is
without
the disposal?
considering and disposing impugned office order letter dated,
This page 23.
yes,
is a-
page
is a
number,
direction to dispose of the representation submitted by you only.
My
What
lord.
is the result? What is the result?
my lord,
Whether the government has considered his
no,
case?
my lord, my lord.
Did not consider.
Yes, my lord.
He was not given a scale also.
Yes, my lord.
Then why?
We have received impugned office letter.
Hmm?
We have received impugned office letter. I've
Okay,
annexed,
this direction is, this is your case.
yes, my lord.
This is also your case.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, thereafter, the government has disposed of where impugned order is.
Annexure 9, page number 29.
9 is the disposal of this.
No, my lord. I've received the impugned office letter
Where?
in my petition, annexure 9, page 29.
Page 29.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship, here it was written by the additional secretary to the government of Nagaland, to the
This is
secretary.
written to you.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, just, this is after the disposal of
Yes, my
the
lord.
petition.
Yes, my lord.
Just a minute, huh? This petition was disposed of on 9/6/22.
Yes, my lord.
This is 30 June. Okay, let us read.
Your lordship, government of Nagaland, finance department.
Okay, from sir, I'm directed. Which one?
The relevant portion is in para number 2. It may be noted that the state government has not adopted any scheme for grant of scale pay to fixed pay work-touch employees, nor is there provision under revision of pay rules to grant scale pay to fixed pay work-touch employees.
Then,
Your lordship, and in annexure 10, page 30.
hello. Can you put off? Oh,
I've received this letter written by the director, under Director of Youth Resources and
Page?
Sports.
Page?
Page 30, annexure 10.
Okay. This was issued after that. You said that there is no provision for grant of scale of pay
Yes, my lord.
to the fixed paid work, and it has to be as per the regularization, has to be as per the OM dated 2015. So what is this letter 30, page 30? Is written by
the
director of,
Youth Resources and Sports, Nagaland, Kohima.
okay, where you are working?
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Your lordship,
this is the 2, 3. This one, this is you.
yes, my lord.
Okay, fixed pay, yes.
My lord, several work-touch, several fixed employees approached this
Yes,
honorable
ma'am.
court.
Let us read this letter first
Okay.
in reference to the subject cited above. Yes, let us read.
In reference to the subject cited above and the court directive to examine for granting of scale pay, it is to bring to your notice that the matter had been referred to the government and the finance department for examining the case and vite letter number such and such dated 6th July 2022 as enclosed, and the finance department number such and such dated 30th/6/2022 has conveyed the following. Point number 1, it may be noted that the state government has not adopted any scheme for grant of scale pay to fixed pay work charge employees, nor is there provision under revision of pay rules to grant scale of pay to fixed pay work charge employees. Point number 2, it may also be stated that pay wages in respect of work charge employees are to be regulated exclusively on the basis of PNAR OM number such and such, dated 17 March 2015. Under it, there is no provision for grant of scale pay to fixed pay work charge employees.
Same thing they have repeated.
Yes, my lord.
Then thereafter what happened?
My lord, several fixed employees approached this honorable court praying for granting minimum scale of pay, your lordship, and accordingly it was disposed of as per the state of Punjab and Jagjit Singh.
No, what is this 31? It is also connected to your case?
Yes, my lord, my lord. No, my lord. It's a similar case which was disposed of, and accordingly minimum scale was granted.
Scale was granted?
Yes, my lord.
Just a minute, let us see this. So the petition. So this was in the year 2018?
Yes, my lord. So notice to opening this resolution and then begin 11 certificate copy to mention.
So what happened to this? There is also direction here also. What happened to, what is the result of this page 31? To whom they have granted, the government has granted the scale of pay,
Your lordship,
like in the case, in the similar case?
your lordship, may I take you to page number 11 of my affidavit in reply.
What is that?
Page number 12. In annexure.
Your petition?
No, my lord, in my affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply?
Yes, my lord. Affidavit in reply, page number 7.
What is that?
My lord, in the case of State of Nagaland and 2 others versus Hishini Sumi. Your lordship, the government has filed against the order dated 14/6/2022, passed by the Land Single Judge, directing the state.
This is again you.
No, my lord.
Oh, so case of, okay. It's not you. Your case was disposed of on June. Okay. September. Yes.
Your lordship, the state government has filed against the order dated 14/6/2022, passed by the Land Single Judge. Your lordship, directing the state to pay the petitioner to the minimum scale of pay.
Okay.
Your lordship, however, the this honorable court by judgment and order dated 20th-1/2023 dismissed the writ appeal.
Okay, where is that, the earlier order, single judge order?
Yes, my lord, it's in my affidavit in reply. Page number 7.
Page?
Page number 7. In my affidavit in reply, page number 7.
No, this is the division bench order.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the single bench order directing the state government to pay scale of pay?
Your lordship, in my petition.
Where? Page?
Page number 31, Annexure 11. Hmm?
31.
Yes, my lord.
31 is. Direction to the state respondent to take decision on the petitioner's representation. This is only for grant of minimum
Yes.
scale.
Your lordship, accordingly, it was granted, which is in Annexure 12, page number 33.
Hmm?
Accordingly, as per this order,
Hmm.
your lordship,
State is granted.
was granted. Yes, my lord.
Page?
Page 33, Annexure 12. The type copy is in page number 34.
So they have been granted WC scale
Yes, my lord.
pay. Which one is the petitioner?
Your lordship, serial number 3, Srimati Apongpong. Work charge fixed label under.
No, this was granted in the year 2020, and then this was disposed of on when?
2018.
2018, okay. So 2020, it was granted. So where the writ appeal is filed thereafter,
Yes, thereafter.
appeal against the
No. It's totally a different case.
different case.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, where is that case?
Your lordship, it's
Where
in,
is the order in that case? That case also directed the state respondent to give you the scale of pay.
yes, my lord.
Where is that order?
Yes, my lord. This one is writ appeal. I've annexed writ appeal.
Okay, this is appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the direction of the writ petition? This is writ,
Your lordship, I've annexed.
you don't have.
Yes, my lord.
So in the writ appeal, that was upheld. Single
Yes,
judge?
yes, my lord.
Okay. So you are claiming the. Okay. So, yes, state. So it, yes, it appears, have
My
you seen
lord-
this page 34? Page 34 of the petition. And after disposal of the writ
Lordship, but this says 2018. This judgment is 2018.
yes, after that,
After
only,
this, lot of things has developed.
no, 2018. After that, you have granted this on page 34.
That is what?
Yes. So it appears
No.
that in compliance of the order passed in the writ petition,
I agree to that, Your
they have
Lordship.
been granted.
Yes, yes.
So
It
see,
was in
it's-
2000, it was a 2018 case, Your
yes,
Lordship.
yes,
Now, after that, grant of minimum scale of pay was the issue before this court.
yes,
Many cases came out, and then, in some cases, court used to grant,
yes,
in some cases, court used to refuse.
yes.
So it was like that. Lastly, state has filed a SLB before the apex court regarding grant of scale of pay. So during the course of the hearing of the matter, our learned Advocate General has made a submission before the apex court that the state will formulate a policy to for minimum
Scale of pay.
scale of pay to the contingency, casual, work charge, and all this, who are in fixed condition and who are not covered otherwise by the OM 2004 and 2015. We have two OMs, standing OM, one in 2004, one in 2015. 2015 speaks about a certain person, certain employee who are enjoying scale up pay and has completed 30 years of service, continuous service. The petitioner now herein has completed only 31 years of service.
3-1.
I'm sorry, only 13 years of service
Okay.
as a contingency fixed driver. So to that effect, so since we have filed the SLB in the apex court, and accordingly, apex court has allowed our state to frame a policy. Now we have formulated, we have constituted a committee accordingly. Your Lordship, you kindly produce this.
I'm appealing for respondent number 10 here.
Yes.
Now, if there's such a direction from the Supreme Court Lordship to regulate the fixation of pay, scale of pay, or giving minimum scale of pay, Lordship, that order may be placed on report, Lordship, because
No, Your Lordship.
a committee has been constituted, but if you're reading
No,
of
no.
the committee does not speak about the direction of the Supreme Court.
No. It was at the direction of the Supreme Court, Your Lordship. Our learned Advocate General has submitted that will formulate a will constitute a committee and formulate a policy. So this is what we have given to the Supreme Court.
But that is yet to be disclosed, Lordship. So we don't know what kind of direction will come from the Supreme Court, Lordship.
Yes.
State might have adopted this by constituting a committee, Lordship, but ultimately the Supreme Court will decide on a question of law. And we, the office of the AG, now if Supreme Court allows the state to go by this, then the whole burden comes to the AG in preparing the service book and then they're giving the scale, lordship. Authentication of all the documents, lordship. So
This is, Lordship, the issue of regulation of pay. That includes whether they will be given a scale of pay or whatnot, it will come under that. Remuneration and conditions of service of contingency and fixed fee employees. The petitioner comes under that category, Your Lordship, because petitioner as a contingency fixed fee employer.
Yes, but you see, no order has been passed in this SLP in that case.
yes, no concrete.
No stay, nothing.
Your Lordship.
But then you see just,
Your Lordship,
yes.
committee has been formulated by the state in February 2004. This year. Now,
I think you have filed affidavit also.
I filed affidavit also, but
Whether this is part of the affidavit.
I filed my
Any
affidavit
one.
also, but you will not find this notification in the affidavit because this is a 2022 case.
Okay. No, the claim of the petitioner is based on, you see, order 30, order page 34. You have granted scale of pay to a similarly situated person. Page 34.
Yes, yes.
So
That is
unless
in,
there,
Your
unless there
Lordship,
is a stay,
Your Lordship, that is in 2018.
yeah, no, 2020, 2020. Not 18.
Lordship, may kindly peruse this order passed by His Lordship to purchase coordinate bench of this. This is the latest one. Lordship, the order is on last month only. Lordship, I'll come to the relevant bara only.
Yes.
The findings of his coordinate bench of this court, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Para 20, Your Lordship. Lordship, you will find in page 14, para 20.
Yes.
May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
It is also seen from the stand taken by the petitioners in both the writ petition that decline that they are entitled to minimum scale of pay as provided to the regular employees performing similar works. It is pertinent to take note of such a direction as sought for cannot be granted as the petitioner herein cannot be equated with the regular employees. Regular employees, and as much as the manner of entering into the service of the petitioners are not the same as that of regular employees. In addition to that, such a direction, if passed, would amount to interfering into the domain. Interfering into the domain. Interfering into the domain reserved exclusively upon the executive. In this regards, this court finds it relevant to refer to the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of State of Bihar versus Bihar Secondary Teachers Struggle Committee, Monker.
It's last time, I think.
Lordship.
Okay. Then
we'll continue.
After lunch break,
Lordship.
we'll continue. Okay, we'll resume after lunch.
আমি ওরা উল্টা সামনে করেছিল এটা পরের কাল ঘটনা তাতে এটা তাতে কনসালটেশন করার পরে
Yes. So this, whether the.
Your lordship,
Yes.
let me come this week. I have consulted my colleagues in the break. Now regarding this judgment in order and page 7 of the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner, your lordship,
Yes.
the division bench, wherein the appeal of the state was dismissed. Lordship, you will find in page 7, affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner.
Yes.
Lordship, this case, state has filed an appeal before the apex court.
Okay, SLP.
SLB we have filed.
Against this.
Against this.
Okay.
Against this, we have filed and
Is there any stay in that?
no,
SLP?
we have filed that petition. We have filed that SLB and we have make a promise before the apex court that we will come out with a policy, certain policy. So accordingly, we have constituted this 16 before 2024. Lordship,
The copy. Yes.
yes, that notification that I have given you. So since
So when this, the committee, when it is fixed?
it is constituted on 16 before 2024.
So
Now the SLB was accordingly closed. Because,
Closed?
yes, because of this. Because of the constitution of
do
this
you have the
committee.
order of the SLP?
No, your lordship, I don't have the order of the SLB,
Okay.
but my colleagues has informed that this SLB and the Hashini case has been closed because of this. Because of this. In a sense that we have promised before the apex court that we will frame a policy.
Now, in the meantime, you appoint him.
And
Him
lordship,
or her, the petitioner is.
Him, my lord.
no, lordship, then I'll come, that is one thing. Now, that is one thing. And your lordship, second thing is, your lordship and lordship, Justice Bukhan has, lordship, may kindly peruse this.
Yes.
This is also brother of Skanapet. Now, against this order, your lordship.
This is the earlier order which you had.
Yes.
No, this is different again.
This is date of judgment is 6/2/2024.
Yes.
Against this, we have filed a SLB before the apex court.
Yes.
State of Nagaland versus Anpe Kunyak. SLB number is not there, but diary number is there, your lordship.
Yes.
Diary number 22747/2024. And this is pending before the apex court. That is why, lordship, I pray your lordship, I submit your lordship that the matter, the present matter may be taken up after disposal of this SLB by the apex court.
No.
Now, your lordship, similar order has also been passed Your lordship, you will find before your lordship in lordship Kakitu 11/9/2024, your lordship can kindly see. Reflecting the SLB.
No, in the case appeal which was disposed of, the division bench order, you have filed SLP.
Yes.
So that has been disposed of.
That has not been
Now
disposed of.
nothing remains in connection with this case.
No, that is same, your lordship, because that also pertains to.
Now, you see, the policy, you have constituted the committee way back in the February, and you are not doing anything now. Now, if nothing prevents, nothing prevents, then why you are not appointing the petitioner?
Lordship, you see, once lordship kindly appreciate the predicament, the difficulty of the state also.
Now, you should have actually filed contempt petition because nothing remains there. The division bench upheld, and then the SLP disposed of, collect the SLP and then file contempt petition. Why don't you file contempt petition?
Your Lordship, earlier I've received the impugned office letter, two letters. That's why I'm challenging this impugned letter dated, which was received, which I've received, which I've annexed in my petition.
This was received in the year 2022.
Yes, my lord.
22 only. Now SLP disposed of recently only, because the order was challenged before the DB. DB disposed of upholding and upheld. So upheld the order passed by the single bench. Order passed in your case only,
yes,
isn't it? Now against that, they went to Supreme Court by SLP. SLP disposed of. What remains now?
No, apparently the SLP has to be, order has to be placed, lordship.
Already, SLP already disposed of.
But we don't know the content, lordship.
Yes, that is why he is submitting that the SLP has already been disposed of in view of the committee constituted.
Correct, your lordship.
And then that way, so that way, what is the direction? The content.
Lordship, if there's a direction from the Supreme Court to constitute a committee, then the Supreme Court order has to be reflected in view of the direction of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
That is not here, so that is creating the confusion, lordship.
Here also it is not reflected, and it says that subsequently, because subsequently the Supreme Court, the SLP also disposed of by the Supreme Court.
If the
so that is to be produced actually.
Yes, if that's a produced, lordship, then the court can pass applicable order.
It will be clear.
Yes.
Lordship, it is like this.
Otherwise, what I'm saying is, because the single judge, single bench passed an order that was appealed by you. The appeal in the DB uphold the single decision of the single bench, and then against that you went to SLP. SLP disposed of. Now nothing remains.
SLP disposed of.
She should have
Your lordship, SLP disposed of. SLP clause. Considering the submission of our learned advocate general, that we will take care of it and we will constitute a committee.
Lordship, if that's
it is because of that submission.
Since they have challenged the DB's order in Supreme Court, lordship, now Supreme Court has to keep an abeyance of this division bench. If not, that division bench order holds the water today.
So some order must have passed. So that is to be produced.
So a short date may be given so that he can produce that order.
We'll have to do that only, because so that what I'm saying is, if it is disposed of, if we see the order, after that she can also file contempt petition.
Yes.
Because nothing remains there.
Nothing remains, exactly. So if the Supreme Court order needs to be placed on the Supreme Court.
So you place the Supreme Court order.
Lordship, I will try to find out that the order.
It will be there only. It has to be, the party must have been given. Okay, so this also, and if there is, and if you think it is necessary, you file it additional affidavit in the meantime, in the form of additional affidavit.
Because they have impugned the division bench order.
Yes.
There
That
is
is
some certain direction will be there, definitely.
Yes.
Because the Supreme Court will not just, on the submission of the AG,
Right.
will not say that
Right.
you constitute a committee. No. Because the impugned order has to be effective.
Either,
Yes.
either to set aside or to upheld.
Yes.
Anyway,
Lordship, let me find out in place it on Friday.
Friday.
Please, Lordship.
So if it, the Friday, it will be difficult in my, no, the Thursday, if it is produced, then we can have hearing.
Let's see.
If on Thursday.
Yes. He can give it a try. Yes. No harm in giving try.
I'll give it.
Or if you think that it is not possible on that day also, we can fix on next date also, next week also.
Yes. He
But it's
can
up to you.
try
You
on
can
Thursday.
produce.
Because just to get the order,
Hmm.
everything is online these days.
Right.
Lordship.
Okay, then,
Just a click of button.
Miss. You're good.
Ms. Kikrisino.
Okay, then I counsel for the petitioner. I've also heard Mr. Moyinson, then senior government advocate
I'm for respondent number 10, AG.
for
I'm 1 to 9, Your Lordship.
the respondent number 1, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 to 9. And Mr.
And also,
Mr. Lanek, counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent
Standing
number 9. Okay. Sorry, standing counsel
for respondent number 10.
for respondent number 9, staff.
10.
10. Okay. Mr. The latest, Mr. Moyam, latest senior government advocate submits that against the order passed by the DB. Where is the DB order?
In affidavit in reply. In
Page-
affidavit in reply, page number 7.
Not a date.
In with appeal number 25 of 2022.
Just a minute. Passed by the division bench. Against the order dated 14/9/2022, passed by the division bench of this court. No, it is order dated 20/01/2022, passed by this court. The state has filed an SLP number, big number.
No, Your Lordship. In this case, state has filed an SLP
Number,
before the apex court. Lordship number is not there.
okay, SLP, which is also SLP. However, in view of the state government taking step for that step for
In view of the state common notification dated 16 February 2024, the SLP was closed.
okay, just a minute. This was for remuneration conditions. Okay. And in view of the state government submission before the Land FX Court that the state is formulating a comprehensive policy framework and subsequent notification issued. Subsequent notification dated a subsequent notification issued by the state government constituting the committee. Subsequent notification dated 16 February, 16/2/2024. Constituting a committee This is committee for,
Regulation of pay, remuneration, and condition of service.
Okay. Committee for,
First line, Lordship. Regulation of
okay,
pay.
for committee for regulation of pay, remuneration, and conditions of service of contingency and fixed paid employees.
Yes.
Correct. Your
Comma,
Lordship.
the said SLP has been closed. No? However, the order disposing of the said SLP is not available to place the said order on record for perusal. No?
Lordship.
Perusal. Stuff is prayed for is prayed for by the Nana Council for the party. This is matter again on Thursday or
Thursday, Your Lord.
okay.
I'll give it a try.
Okay.
I'll try.
Lordship, my name will be reflected in the cost list for respondent number 10.
Yes. Okay. Let his name be reflected as the standing council for
Respondent number
the
10
respondent number 10
in the cost
in
list.
the cause list.
Lordship, item 21, similar order may be passed because similar case, Lordship.
It is. So here also SLP was filed.
No, similar issues in regard to minimum scale of pay.
Minimum scale.
So if
Okay,
item-
then we'll say this will be listed along with that.
along with yes.
As prayed for by, okay, there are parties present, huh? Next, para, as prayed for by the Land Council for the parties. This is matter along with WPC number 2026, 2022 on Thursday.
Lordship.
Okay.
Obligation.
Obligation.
Fazer uma na simple budismo. Ela viu só, ela viu só. Aro no guna pa udah.
Kalau weh, kalau tidak terpalasnya jual mungkin nasi lagi.